Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 12 by 24 inch canvas. Blue. I have a bunch of silver that I don't want to spill, but I do want to remember to use. I have a short edge catcher that's going to help me start this process. And that looks like more paint than I need also. It's time to take my cell activator and maybe some copper. I'm thinking copper, but blue is coming to mind. I've got that Paynes gray I moved away. I think that might be kind of nice. So let's just grab a swipe card of any sort. I could put trees in, that would help. I kind of want to do what I originally planned. And put a little bit of white above, hoping I can blend those colors a little bit. Although at this point, I'm not sure what's going to happen to this. Thinking about putting some turquoise in there. Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, welcoming you to an unexpected part 2. I have a dish of swipe cards. I have some black, purple, and white Aussie Floetrol. I tried to use those gray leftovers or the silver leftovers the other day. It is a pretty textured canvas, but that's just par for the course in this case. I'm going to take some of my greens, and I'm thinking about trees. And we'll see what happens. I've made sure most of my bottles are open. The second one I picked wasn't one of them. I'm going to use, that is the green gold from Folkart that's color shifting. That is a Prussian blue, probably an Academy, or, oh, who's the other I'm not sure, Grumbacher. I use Grumbacher. They're both tube paints. Make sure things are shaken. This is an Arteza Phthalo green, and it has some iridescent pearl fine in it. I'm probably going to use some of my dioxazine purple. I have a little bit of pastel green metallic. I have a few other colors. I have a color that I don't know how to describe. I can't say it's celadon. It's very, very pale yellow green, and I don't generally like to use it very much. It's not that dissimilar from the green gold. I'm getting to the point where I'm really done putting paint down, or I'm going to have too much. This is an emerald green from Folkart, and I'm thinking I'm going to just put... Did I put any gold in there? I really didn't. And I'm just going to mess around. I want my copper. I'm going to put a little gold everywhere. I have another emerald green, but it's probably pretty similar to the other one. It's a Decor Americana. If I get a chance to do my trees, this is leftover paint. I think it was an Arteza purple. I'm going to put a little bit of my black cell activator right into a dish and just cover my area. Start at the wrong side. There's no such thing. I really wanted a much smaller card, but I'd like to cover as much ground as I can out of the gate. Okay, it's almost time to make some more of this. And I'm not minding any of that. That's pretty cool. I don't think I need much copper at all. But I still have my card, and it's nice and wet. And a little here and there won't hurt anything. That's better for me. Now if I want to do something to the sky, I ought to think about doing it soon. And in order to do that, I'm going to use some Anita's white metallic. And a little more Anita's white metallic with some pink in it. And a little bit of the pink diamond. Grab a spatula. I wonder what that is. I see something in there. Well, it doesn't really matter at this point. I'm not sure why I did that upside down, but it's not like I can't do it right side up for myself too. I'm a big fan of spatula clouds. Might want to put a little bit of purple in there. I might want to put a little more white in there because I have that Anita's white metallic down at the horizon line. Definitely happier with this. So where am I going to put my trees? I think I'm just going to dab a few trees right along the horizon line over here. And in order to do that, I'm just going to take a little bit of Prussian blue, a little bit of gold with orange in it, a little tiny dab of that purple, a little green gold, and the Arteza. And I'm just going to take a skewer, without that hair on it please. I think I'm going to put a little bit of my Venetian blue in there too. 4 drops to be exact. I know I'm going to want some more purple. Probably not giving myself enough paint. That's just the finger to a glove. I kind of want a little more pink. Right here, because I've got it on my spatula anyway. And it's pretty subtle. And I think I just changed the whole atmosphere of that, and I'm not unhappy about it at all because it was not impressing me. I really want some orange in there. Come on out. I just put you down. So I'm going to take some very light orange, some yellow. Take a risk. I'm not sure that was a risk worth taking. I'm going to use some pink now. And dribble a little bit of white in there. I wanted to use my purple flash, to be honest with you. But I really like the clouds that I see in Florida that are pink. They're like coral. Take whatever's on my edge and knock it right over. I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Not that there are any when you swipe. So that I can just drag some of it right to a new location. I like the look of layered clouds. And I'm still messing with it. I want some more pink up there. I still want the purple too. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I have one more spot. That might be a lot more paint than I want up there. So surprise last edition. I think if I don't want all of that, then I better do something about it right now. Almost done. And voila. I'm going to call that good. I'm going to take whatever's on my spatula and put it over the top of my painting to blend in the blue a little bit where it needs it. Thank you for watching. Please know your thumbs up are very appreciated. For inquiries to purchase my artwork, please use my email address. It's easpbgallery, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. To purchase my books, use my Amazon link. Please subscribe. Make sure to choose all when you click the bell. Please check out my channel's playlists. They share a wide assortment of methods you might be interested in. Questions are always welcome. Don't be shy. Watching my videos longer is of great assistance. The channel survives with the help of channel memberships and PayPal donations. I'd like to express my great appreciation for everyone who helps support the channel. Please come again. Coupon codes are in the description under the video.